In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan Custom Voice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the option to create a custom voice and how to start cloning your own voice inside the editor. First, log into your Colossyan account. A modern browser and a stable internet connection will make this smoother, and logging in ensures you have access to your projects and the features needed to create a custom voice. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. This takes you to the workspace where you build your video, manage scenes, and control how your narration connects to your visuals. Think of this as your production hub. Everything you need to shape your content is organized here. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the script panel. This is where you type or paste the text that your video's voiceover will read. Keeping your script here helps you manage timing and clarity, and it gives you a convenient place to tweak lines as you go. If your script is already prepared, this panel becomes the control center for how it will sound. At the top of the script panel, you'll find the voice selector. This dropdown typically lists the available voices you can use to read your script. It's helpful to know that you can quickly preview and compare voices here to understand the difference in tone, pace, and style. But today, we're focusing on setting up your own. Click the voice selector, then choose Create Custom Voice. Next, click Clone Your Voice. This is the doorway to building a voice model that sounds like you. Cloning takes your unique vocal characteristics, things like tone, cadence, and pronunciation, and uses them to generate a voice that can read your script as if you recorded it yourself. From here, Colossyan guides you with on-screen prompts. You may be asked to review permissions and provide a sample. For best quality, it helps to speak clearly and naturally. If you're using your own voice, make sure you're comfortable with how it will be used and stored, and only proceed if you have the rights to the voice you're cloning. Once you've initiated Clone Your Voice, the platform handles the heavy lifting. You can continue refining your script while it works. When your custom voice is ready, it typically appears among your voice options, so you can keep creating without breaking your workflow. That's the process. Log in, open your project, locate the script panel, open the voice selector, choose Create Custom Voice, and click Clone Your Voice to begin. Follow the on-screen guidance, and you'll be on your way to a personalized, professional-sounding narration that fits your project perfectly.